up, people?
Hi.
Guido and Tori here with Trailside Talks. And today, on a cool Friday, we made it. Well, we just passed through Tortilla Flat and on the Apache Trail towards Apache Lake.
To Burnt
Corral Campground.
Campground.
Yeah. Let's hope they have some space open for us. Well, looks nice here. So yeah, we made it to Burnt Corral Campground, and yeah, we saw one other car. There's nobody here. It's amazing. Got the whole freaking place to ourselves. Well, at least we got, well, let's call it beachfront property. Oh, apparently some ducks too. Yeah, can't complain. Even got a fire pit. And someone was nice enough to leave some wood. It's more like old furniture. What do I know? It's very quiet. The duckies. Not even a boat on the lake here. What the heck? Huh. Alright, I guess we start unpacking, putting a tent up. Yes, still no rooftop tent. It's still sitting in the garage. Nice. I like it. Don't see any fish, but early this year at where did we go? Overland Expo West in Flagstaff. Wife decided she wanted a gazebo style thing, so yeah, we bought a gazelle tent, and today we popped it up for the first time. It's a simple, just pull everywhere and it pops open. It's pretty roomy. I mean, I'm 5'9". And yeah, stretch. It's nice. Definitely enough space for, I don't know, table, 4 chairs or so. So simple enough. Come on, let's put it to the test.
Yeah, this is how I did it the last time. I was like, oops. I was like, it's gotta be an easier way to do this. There. Square it off a little bit more.
Yep. Like I said, plenty of space in here. Yeah, not sure what's going on, but apparently we slightly unprepared for taking videos. Sorry, making videos, but yeah. We are currently cutting veggies. Yeah, no, those chilies are actually from our garden. It's year 2 or so, and they grow. It's awesome. First year, nothing. They almost died. Anyway, yeah, so preparing dinner. Something with chicken.
Chicken, yeah.
And yeah, I guess what the heck is that? Zucchini
Zucchini.
next on my list, and I only got 2 arms, so I can't let you watch how I chop it, since there's nothing where I can park you. Actually, I could. Hang on, let me try something here. Oh, yeah, there we go.
Yeah, why don't you do that?
That might work. How do you want it cut?
In slices.
Just slices?
And then in half. Because it needs to be small enough for our... I'm going to do this last. Because I need to get rid of this.
All right, 9:30 on December, what do we have, 22nd, 21st? Oh no, it's Saturday morning. Yeah, so we packed everything up. Quick pit stop here, and then we're heading back home to Mesa. Gotta say, yeah, Burnt Corral, very nice. Got its own boat ramps. It's very quiet, cold, and windy.